Garlic in Pots, your guide to container gardening success. Tired of store-bought garlic? Imagine harvesting your own fresh, flavorful garlic right from your patio. This video will show you how easy it is to grow garlic in pots and containers. Growing garlic in containers offers several advantages. It's perfect for gardeners with limited space, like balconies or small patios. Container gardening also allows for better control over soil conditions and prevents soil-borne diseases. Potted garlic is also easier to protect from pests and harsh weather. Plus, you can move your garlic around to find the perfect sunny spot. It's a convenient and rewarding way to enjoy fresh garlic. Not all garlic varieties are created equal for container growing. Soft-neck garlic is generally recommended for warmer climates. Hard-neck varieties are better suited for colder regions. Look for varieties that are known for their good flavor and storage capabilities. Elephant garlic, while technically a leek, can also be grown in large containers. Experiment to find your favorite. The right pot and soil are crucial for successful garlic growth. Choose a pot that is at least 8 inches deep and wide. This will provide enough space for the bulbs to develop. Ensure the pot has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Garlic needs well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. A mix of potting soil, compost, and perlite works well. Planting garlic cloves is simple. Separate the cloves from the bulb, leaving the papery skin intact. Plant the cloves pointy side up, about 2 inches deep and 4 inches apart. Water the soil thoroughly after planting. Place the pot in a sunny location that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. Garlic thrives in cool weather, so fall is the ideal planting time. Consistent watering is essential, especially during dry periods. Keep the soil moist, but not waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to rot. Fertilize your garlic every few weeks with a balanced organic fertilizer. This will provide the nutrients needed for healthy growth. Avoid over-fertilizing, as this can also harm the plants. Garlic is relatively pest-resistant, but keep an eye out for common garden pests. Aphids and onion maggots can sometimes be a problem. Use organic pest control methods to protect your plants. Ensure good air circulation to prevent fungal diseases. Remove any yellowing or diseased leaves promptly. Healthy plants are less susceptible to pests and diseases. Harvest time depends on the variety and climate. Generally, garlic is ready to harvest when the lower leaves start to turn yellow and brown. This usually occurs in late spring or early summer. Gently dig up the bulbs, being careful not to damage them. Allow the bulbs to cure in a dry, well-ventilated place for a few weeks. This will improve their flavor and storage life. Proper storage is key to enjoying your garlic for months to come. Once the bulbs are cured, trim the roots and stems. Store them in a cool, dry, and dark place. Braiding soft-neck garlic is a traditional storage method. Hard-neck garlic can be stored in mesh bags or baskets. Avoid storing garlic in the refrigerator, as this can cause it to sprout. Sometimes things don't go as planned. Yellowing leaves can indicate overwatering or nutrient deficiencies. Pests can be controlled with organic solutions. If your garlic doesn't form bulbs, it may not be getting enough sunlight or nutrients. Adjust your growing conditions as needed. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn from your mistakes. The best part of growing your own garlic is enjoying the fresh, flavorful results. Use your homegrown garlic in all your favorite recipes. It's a delicious and rewarding experience. From roasting to sautéing, the possibilities are endless. Share your harvest with friends and family. They'll be impressed by your gardening skills. Ready to start growing your own garlic in pots? Don't wait. Grab your pots, soil, and garlic cloves and get planting today. Subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks, and leave a comment below sharing your garlic growing experiences. Happy gardening!